my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make a bow hair tie, and I'm going to make use of my crochet thread in double pull. We have our elastic here, we have our scissor, we have our yarn needle, and a 2.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. Make your slip knot. And make a chain of 29. So once you made your 29 chains, on the second chain from the hook, make one slip stitch. And then make 2 single crochet on the next 2 chains. Two half double crochets on the next 2 chains. And then 2 double crochets on the next 2 chains. And then going back, 2 half double crochets on the next 2 chains. Two single crochets on the next 2 chains. On the next 6 chains, we're going to make 1 slip stitch. And then 2 single crochets again on the next 2 chains. Two half double crochets. Two double crochets on the next 2 chains. Two half double crochets. Two single crochets. And make your slip stitch on the last chain. So now we're going to work on the other side. So we're going to do the same thing. We make our slip stitch on this very first chain, and on the next chain we're going to make our first single crochet and single crochet again on the next chain. 2 half double crochets on the next 2 chains. You can see I am hiding my tail as I go along, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2 chains, and 1 half double crochet again in the next 2 chains. One single crochet in each of the next 2 chains, and then we are on the middle part, and we're going to make 6 slip stitch. So now we can cut our tail. Just pull this a little bit. Six slip stitch again. After doing your 6 slip stitch, make 1 single crochet in the next 2 chains, half double crochet in the next 2 chains, and then 2 double crochets in the next 2 chains, one half double crochet, one single crochet in the next 2 chains, and we're going to make a slip stitch on our last chain. Now we are ready to fasten it off and cut our yarn. Now take your yarn needle and weave our end for our tail. second, we're just going to make a simple knot. Don't worry, it will not be deformed. Just pull both sides. And now we are done. You can do this in minutes. It's so easy. You can make it in as pair or a single one. You can make of the same color. You can choose also the black elastic, and you can put different colors as well. You can also sell this one, or you can make for your kids or send them as gifts to your friends. So I hope you enjoyed our tutorial for today. Happy crocheting everyone. Stay safe and God bless.